Hello guys, welcome. In this video I want to show you a Tap Sports Baseball 2020 hack. So if you see here, I'm getting all this free golden cash and I'm gonna show you how to get them as well. But firstly, let me open the game and let me show you the amount of gold and the amount of cash that I have at the moment. So let's just wait a few seconds for this game to load, and then I'm gonna show you the amount that I have right now. And through this video, I'm gonna show you every single step that you need to take to get the free gold and the free cash in your own game. So let's just wait, as I said, for the game to load because it takes a while, and then we will go on with every single step. So if you see here, firstly, I have 25,000 cash and only a very little gold, but that's gonna change really soon. If you see here, this is my username and I'm gonna be using it to get the free gold and the free cash in my game. But you need to get your very own username to get the gold and the cash in your own game. Alright, so now close the game, open your browser and then go to this website, which is tapsports2020.hackmobile.online. So if you see here, I'm gonna write it right now, and you should actually save it somewhere because you're gonna need this website to get your very own free gold and cash later after watching this tutorial. So tapsports2020.hackmobile.online. This is the website that you need to go to get the free gold and the free cash on Tap Sports Baseball 2020. Alright, so once you are at the website, it's gonna look just like this. So firstly here you need to enter your username. Mine, as I told you, was FNHacks. So I'm gonna write my username here, but you should write your very own to get the gold and the cash in your game. Secondly, you need to choose the platform you're playing the game on. It can either be Android or iOS. Thirdly, you need to choose the amount of gold and the amount of cash that you want to add. I'm gonna add 100,000 gold and 10,000 cash, but you can add more or less if you want. And in the end, you need to press the generate button. So now we're gonna wait for this website to prepare the cash and the gold for our game. And that's gonna take just a few seconds. So let's just wait together. Alright, still waiting. One last thing I want to mention is that sometimes you might need to complete a human verification. That is because many people have been abusing with this website by using automatic softwares and bots. And if you see here, it is telling us that we need to verify that we are a human using the website. So to complete the human verification, we simply need to press the complete verification button over here, and that is going to show us some offers. And we need to complete only one of these offers from the list here to verify that we are an actual human and not a software, not an automated bot. So I'm going to choose this first offer and I'm going to complete it right now. So I'm going to fast forward this part of the video while I complete this offer real quick. To complete the offer, you simply need to enter some details about yourself, and then after you do that, you also need to answer around 20 random questions, and I'm going to do that in this video. But I'm gonna fast forward this part of the video because it takes 3 to 5 minutes to complete this offer. Alright, so once you're done with the human verification, you simply need to go back to Tap Sports to see if you're gonna get all the free gold and cash. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel to watch more videos like this one. But before we end this video, I'm gonna show you that I'm gonna get the free gold and cash. So let's just wait together for the game to load, and then we are going to see the effect of this website and of this tutorial. So this is gonna take just a few seconds, so let's just wait a little bit more. Alright, we're almost in the game, so let's see now if I'm gonna get the free gold and cash. So if you see here, I'm getting all the free gold and all the free cash in my game. Thanks for watching this video guys, and don't hesitate to go and try it yourself. Good luck and have a good day.